Hey girlies, welcome back to the channel. I am going to be transforming today. I have a unit. Why? As soon as I want to start this video, a piece of hair want to get on my lip. Like, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be transforming today. I'm taking this wig off and popping a closure wig on from Allove hair. If you guys remember, I tried Allove hair maybe like 2 months ago. I tried out their really bomb straight hair and I transformed their straight hair into a quick weave, and then I decided to make the hair into a wig because it was just too bomb to throw away or just to have it in a quick weave form. But today they sent me a closure wig and I already bleached the knots, and then I dyed the hair soft black using the Revlon hair dye. And I also pre-plucked it. I'm showing you guys that right now so you guys can see how I get a really gradient look to my hairline, and I'm just going to be popping it on, styling it today. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of pin curls. I'm not sure what look I want to go for, but I will link all of their information in the description box below if you guys are interested. Please continue to watch and let's get started.